If you're using threads and want more control over who can interact with your posts, especially when it comes to replies, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to limit or completely hide replies on your Threads posts with just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Threads app on your device. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Once you're in your profile, scroll through and find the post you'd like to restrict replies on. Tap on that post to open it. Now, look to the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down list, select the option that says who can reply and quote. You'll now see a list of available reply settings. This is where you can choose who's allowed to respond to your thread. My recommendation, select mentioned only. This means only users you specifically mentioned in the post will be able to reply. And here's the trick. If you don't mention anyone, no one will be able to reply. It's a subtle but powerful way to keep your post quiet and focused. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.